In manufacturing, having a smooth B2B sales process is crucial, especially for standard products in catalogs. It helps speed up orders and ensures customer satisfaction.
Let us consider Relite Motors, an auto parts manufacturing company. The sales rep, Alex, has a hot lead, which he has converted to an opportunity, a contact, and an account. For this opportunity, Alex chooses the right price book based on how much business the customer might bring. Alex can choose from Platinum, Gold, Silver, or the Standard price book. He selects the Standard price book.
Alex adds the initial product requirements from Jacob, the customer, to the opportunity. These quantity requirements might change later. Next, he prepares the quote when the opportunity moves to the quote preparation stage. He fills in details like the account name, opportunity, and marks it as the primary quote. Alex adds the final list of products to the quote, making sure the quantities meet the minimum order limit. He can also give discounts within certain limits. If it's more, he needs approval from his manager. Once the quote is good to go, Alex can generate the quote document, preview it, and save it. Relite Motors uses DocuSign with Salesforce for easy digital signatures. The document is prepared for the customer's digital signature. So Alex sends it. The customer signs it, and it's a done deal. That signed document lands neatly in the notes and attachments section of the quote. Alex can now mark the opportunity as closed won.
Alex creates a sales agreement, links it to the customer's account, sets the start date, and decides the duration, usually 12 months. The sales agreement then goes through a review and approval stage. After the necessary approvals, the agreement is activated and the deal begins. Alex can cancel, renew, or end agreements if required. During the sales agreement period, Jacob, the customer, can place orders. Alex uses the active agreement to keep track of the planned versus the actual revenue generated.
Alex creates an order and links it to the customer's account. He sets the order date and marks it as draft. Alex adds the order products and their respective quantities. When the order is ready to be shipped, Alex changes the order status to activated.
With the help of the sales agreement, the organization has access to historical data of actual orders placed by the customer across different months. This data is useful to effectively forecast production for the upcoming months. Connection between Salesforce and the manufacturing plant ERP system can also be set up. This will ensure real-time data sync between the two systems, which ensures efficient production planning and forecasting. Alex also uses dashboards to visualize the org data for making important business decisions. He tracks the health of sales agreements with different accounts, product performance, top accounts, and what to expect in sales for the coming months.
For the sales rep, Manufacturing Cloud features help in creating new opportunities and tracking existing run rate business through sales agreements. For the demand planner, Manufacturing Cloud features help in better production planning and effective forecasting through sales agreement data.
At ABSYZ, we blend cutting-edge solutions from Salesforce with our industry know-how to make operations smoother and boost customer connections.